back to another episode of Rose and Gold. I'm your host, IK, or as the ladies call me,
International King.
You already know, Dr. Ross. Let's get into our She's Hot contest for today, who is Chanel West Coast. Chanel West Coast, or Chelsea Chanel Dudley, better known by her stage name, is an American television personality, rapper, singer, songwriter, as well as a model. She came to prominence for her roles in MTV's Rob Direct's Fantasy Factory and Ridiculousness.
She's been in the topics recently, making appearances on the Busted Wide Challenge, and where she spread her legs wide open for the spandex body yaddy yaddy. This is our She's Hot winner, Chanel West Coast.
Hot and scandalous, just as I like it. That's for you. Let's move into our hot topics for today. And not to cut it off once again, but before we move into that, make sure to hit the like button, the bell, as well as subscribe, and leave a comment down below saying what you thought of our topics for today.
And our Jamaican products, and don't forget to vote for next week's She's Hot winner. But for today's She's Hot winner, once again, is Miss Chanel West Coast.
Indeed. Congratulations on your win. Let's move into our hot topics for today.
So this one's a short hot topic, but okay. Donna Warwick. So she's recently becoming a little bit new to Twitter, and she went on a huge rant saying things like, who is Offset? Wait a minute, is there an Onset too? And who is Cardi B? Isn't that a liquor? People were thinking this is extremely hilarious. And what are a little bit of your thoughts, International King?
Right now, she's just out of the time. She needs to get back into the community a bit.
I thought it was pretty funny. But let's get into the real hot topics. It's come to International King and I's attention that there is a little bit of trouble in the waters of the Real Housewives of New Jersey. You already know there's always trouble there with the Teresa Giudice and the Joe, but this time it's not about them. It's about the other sister, the sister-in-law and the brother. If you don't know who they are, it is Gorga, hopefully I'm pronouncing that right, Miss Gorga Giudice, and her husband. People are saying they have the perfect relationship. They seem like they're so in love. It's coming out of the surfaces that both of them are cheating on each other, and there might be a little bit more trouble than there actually is. And they're trying desperately hard to make their couple look realistic and perfect as possible. What are your thoughts, International King?
Reality television. That's what it always has been and always will be.
Exactly. You can't be housewives without having a little bit of drama or your show's going to go off the air.
As Dr. Ross and I have been saying for years, you won't go into a place and see people throwing wine on each other and flipping the tables over.
Speaking of drama, we have Wendy Williams' new movie coming out on Lifetime at 8 o'clock, January 30th. So you know we're going to be ready for that and excited. Isn't that right, International King?
Exactly.
Wow.
We know that this must have been a cathartic experience for you, but keep the seat warm and let the new generation in. Let's move into our next hot topic with the Kardashians. So the Kardashians actually gave the entirety of their film crew for Keeping Up with the Kardashians brand new $10,000 Rolex watches. My thoughts on this: it's great to have a Rolex watch, but they probably want the money that folds, the cha-ching. You all know what I mean. $10,000 a piece.
That's completely right, International King. But you can't say no to the Rolex watches, though. These are the Rolex. It's the paper that folds, because I'm not going to say you can go and sell it, but you can go and sell it. So at least they're giving something back to their audience, just a little bit.
True.
On to our next hot topic. So Zoe Kravitz, International King, I'm not going to lie to you right now. I didn't even know she was married, but it seems like she likes to keep her relationship's life and her relationship status underneath the waters.
And
She
Dr.
recently
Ross,
came out, she's divorced for a year. Sorry for cutting you off. Go on.
but Dr. Ross, some people like to keep things private, and I hate to say it, they don't want it like the Angelina Jolie. Even though she's been underwater recently, she was out there dogging the Brad Pitt. But Brad, you still need advice from the International King. The International Book. It's not the Black Book anymore. Let's move into our next hot topic with Drake. We know that most people think he's irrelevant. Dr. Ross and I think he's irrelevant as well. But I just had to talk about how after a 10-week hiatus, he came back to working out. Now, Drake, Playa, I'm gonna have to agree with TMZ on this one. I know that even after 10 weeks, I know that you did not just come back into working out and you have a six-pack. No.
I'm gonna agree with you, International King. Either you've been taking a little bit of something, maybe a little bit of what Wendy Williams have been having, or you've been working out this whole time and you want to spice it up a little bit and tell guys, oh, I just started working out yesterday. It looks like I just got a little bit lucky.
Playa. But put us in your next song, though. Call it King Steps. Let's move into our next hot topic with Cardi B and Kylie Jenner. They finally reveal the price of the WAP music video. It was around $1 million, give or take.
Well, I mean, International King, it's exactly like Nicki Minaj said, and many other artists in their own right. Just for setup, just for location, and we know this, International King, when we're on set, it takes a lot just for small productions, for the costumes, outfits, makeup, everything comes with a price, and that's Hollywood. That's what we like, and that's where the paper folds.
Indeed, and Dr. Ross, I can agree with this $1 million budget, especially since makeup and everything, but you also have to include how 90% of the video was CGI.
And
so that's
busting it down.
Exactly. But our reporters are saying that allegedly Kylie Jenner might have been paid for an appearance fee. But this is all alleged. And if you guys want to know who are other people who have the number 1 as well as the 2nd, 3rd, 4th spots on the most for the international music videos, it has to be Michael Jackson as well as Madonna. Michael Jackson at number 1 with Scream, which was around 7 million. And then there's Madonna with 2nd, 3rd, and 4th.
Well, we're talking about 2 artists right now that are at the top of their game. Well, Michael Jackson is sadly not here with us anymore, but he's the king of pop and his music will live on. Madonna, you know she still likes to shake it up. I recently heard news about Madonna hiding out low with her boyfriend. Allegedly, we don't know if they're still together because topics like to mention things that are a little bit back, but we know that they like to keep it active.
They're probably just keeping it low right now, low profile. Let's move into our next hot topic with Lamar Odom. So Lamar Odom made a deal with Celebrity Boxing for a fight on June 12th. And his opponent hasn't been revealed yet, but Dr. Ross and I may know who it is. Stay tuned.
The thing I want to say about this International King is, first of all, Lamar, we know you're upset. You're a little bit upset that your ex-fiancée has called it quits with you, and she is not going very smoothly. But the thing we want to say is, what do you have to fight for, Lamar? You should be spending your money and enjoying yourself. You shouldn't be out here saying, you know, I'm just going to rough it up with everyone now that one girl left you. Go find another girl.
Who knows? Maybe he's trying to show that he's strong and he's a man.
You don't have to show you're strong and a man by going out and getting yourself hurt. You don't know that these other wrestlers haven't been training their whole lives for this, and you're just now starting. So.
But then again, this is celebrity boxing, so this is probably like an exhibition fight. They were saying, our reporters were also saying that this might make more money than the Mike Tyson fight if he fights it out with someone big. But you know who will make more than the Mike Tyson fight? It has to be Tom Cruise and the Fox. Let the king set it up. Tom, I could already see it right now. I could see the vision. Cruise versus Fox, the latest fight.
Exactly. That's the fight that International King and I have been betting on since day one. And you guys know it's going to be hot and it's going to be spicy when you see them in the ring. And Katie Holmes, we don't know where she'll be at, but we'll give her an extra ticket so that she can see it. Front row seats right there. See them handle it out.
And I know that the Fox has more fire in him, but Cruise, Tom, he's going to beat you.
He's Top Gun.
I'm betting on that one. Mission Impossible. Let's move into our next hot topic for today.
So our next hot topic, we were already talking about reality shows earlier and how certain reality shows, if their ratings aren't as high, they tend to get out. But Bravo is deciding to bring back one of the Real Housewives of Miami. International King, I've heard of all the cities, but I've never heard of Real Housewives of Miami. They're going to be bringing on a new cast, Larsa Pimpin, and a lot of other celebrities.
For a second, I thought you were going to say Lisa Bonet, but I know that wouldn't come to fruition.
If she was scandalous in Miami, they might have dropped her in there. But you already know Wendy Williams was clowning on the show. Wendy Williams' son suggests that she should have been on there because they're back and forth in Miami. It's going to be a thumbs down. Wendy Williams said she likes to be nosy though, and she might be a friend of the show.
But Dr. Ross, everything is dropping it like it's hot in Miami. Everything is turned up to max over there. So you know that show's going to be off the chain. Let's move into our next hot topic with J-Lo, Demi Lovato, and Lady Gaga. They are all set to perform at the 2021 inauguration for President Joe Biden and Vice President Kamala Harris. My thoughts on this, Dr. Ross: J-Lo needs to go home. And that's nothing wrong against you. We've just been seeing you in the news 24/7. Didn't you just do a concert about a week ago?
Well, International King, for me personally, I'm agreeing with you. I'm completely agreeing with you. She works too much. She needs to go home. But at the same time, we love seeing J-Lo. See, even though she's in the news too much, I wouldn't mind seeing her perform with, you said it's Lady Gaga and
Lady Gaga and Demi Lovato.
And Demi Lovato. Those are all three people that we have not seen get together on one stage. You know, it's going to be massive. It's going to be explosion. It's going to be amazing.
True, so you know it will be explosive, Dr. Ross. But
After that, though, she should go home now.
Indeed, she should relax. Go back to the Hawaiian resort she was at before. And correction to myself, she was in Turks and Caicos, not in Hawaii.
Keep enjoying yourself. Let's go on to our hot topic about breakups and new relationships. So we're going to start it off with, we already know this topic, we've been mentioning it every topic, but Tyrese and Samantha Gibson have decided to call it quits. They're divorcing, and Tyrese, pay her. Just pay her.
And Dr. Ross, I might be a bit late, but call it breakups and makeups. Let's
Breakups
move
and
into
makeups.
our next breakup and makeup.
Next breakup and makeup is A$AP Rocky and Rihanna. Apparently, allegedly, people are saying that their relationship is heating up. They recently were out in Barbados, where Rihanna's from, in a little bit of a jet ski, having the time of their life. So, what are your thoughts, International King?
Probably a friendship. That's all I'm seeing from this. Let's move into our next breakup and makeup.
Before we get into it, I want to say, quickly, A$AP Rocky is probably only there just to say he dated Rihanna, and he's waiting for another pretty girl to come because he's pretty good looking. I'm not saying Rihanna's not, but he's pretty good looking. Let's get into our next one.
And you know that's the reason, Dr. Ross.
Exactly. The next one is a breakup. It's going to be Lindsey Vonn and PK Subban. The Olympic skier 36 and the hockey pro 31 have ended their engagement and split after 3 years. They have allegedly told the press to save their name. They're going to say, we will always remain friends and love each other immensely. What are your thoughts, International King?
We see that she's trying to save face, as most entertainers do. They say after a relationship goes wrong, they say, we're still friends and we'll keep that friendship alive. But look at Tyga, Dr. Ross. That's my only comment on this. Tyga's looking depressed like a sad catfish. Let's move into our final hot topic.
For our final hot topic, for the final one, we have Getting Serious, Justin Hartley and Sophia Perlins. This is the This Is Us actor, 43, who filed for divorce from Selling Sunset's Christel Stoss in 2019, went in Instagram official with his girlfriend and former Young and Restless co-star Permas. What are your thoughts, International King?
Put us in the Young and the Restless. That's my comment.
That's right. Let's get into our last and final hot topic. Quickly, before we get into our last hot topic, allegedly, Blac Chyna has a new face. She got a little bit of work done to her face. We're not hating on it, but we wanted to mention that.
And Dr. Ross, I'm going to put a more photo right here. Her face has changed from the first time we saw her all the way up until now. She's done a lot of work on her cheeks as well as her jawline.
I like the new look of her. It's not as ratchet. She made her face a little bit, not saying you were ratchet before, but like a scandalous ratchet. Now she looks a little bit more cutesy. She made her face smaller.
Dr. Ross, I have to say, with this photo right here,
More chubby.
it doesn't look like she's chubby. It just looks a lot more like she animated herself.
That could be
like,
true too. Remember what they said with Chloe?
True.
Animations, the filters that they use on the Instagram. It's what they do. But let's get into our last and final hot topic.
We know that we've been throwing it around for a while, but this is the actual final hot topic.
Exactly. We just wanted to quickly mention Lori Harvey a happy 24th birthday. She was recently seen with Michael B. Jordan. They were out having a little bit of fun in the snow. He went with her relatives and did their thing.
You know that the father, Steve Harvey, he's happy about this. Way happier than when she was with the Future. But she's ratchet, always will be. In the streets, stays in the streets.
That's what I wanted to mention about this hot topic. I wanted to mention her birthday, not only because it's her birthday, but also, I've never seen Steve, the catfish player, smile so hard in my life. He fresh pressed his suit, got his mustache cleaned a little bit. He was going like that at the ladies. I'm proud of Steve. His wife, though, was twerking on the dance floor. It's nothing new, but let's close it off, International King.
These were all of our hot topics, but for Kylie Jenner, Playgirl. That's for you. We'll see you in the next installment. Make sure to like, share, subscribe, as well as hit the notification bell. And leave your comment down below for what you thought on our topics today.
That's right, give your own personal opinions. And congratulations to our She's Hot winner once again, Miss Chanel West Coast. Congratulations.
Exactly. Congratulations, Miss West Coast. We out.